This is the first time I ever do an unboxing, so bear with me. Bought this package, Amazon, clean robot, everything came in Chinese, no, barely any English on the package. Package got all beat up, obviously came from China. Not what I expected. Everything that it says on the description is falsely advertised. It says it rolls on its own. I already put the batteries in. It says it has suction. This is all you get or hear. It's actually not sucking, it's pushing air out. There's no mechanics to the wheels, nothing automatic. Supposedly it rolls on its own. Turn it on, see if it rolls on its own. Try to give it a push start, nothing. Obviously the ultimate hoax. If you buy it, you're gonna regret it for the rest of your life. Cheap little plastic. Kids won't even use it for a toy, they don't like it. So it's a waste of money. Don't buy it.